Number 5. The new Arrma Typhon 665 is an adrenaline-packed RC release that takes the world of high-performance bashing to an entirely new level. Combining sleek design with raw power and precision engineering, this impressive 1/8 scale buggy is built on a durable, race-inspired chassis that ensures stability, balance, and agility across any terrain. Whether you're tearing up dirt tracks, launching off jumps, or racing at blistering speeds on pavement, powered by a robust brushless system, it delivers lightning-fast acceleration and top speeds that thrill even the most experienced RC enthusiasts. While its advanced electronics provide smooth handling and responsive control, the Typhon 665 comes equipped with reinforced components, oil-filled shocks, and heavy-duty differentials that are designed to withstand punishing action and deliver consistent performance in the toughest conditions. Its aerodynamic body not only enhances speed and efficiency, but also gives it a striking, aggressive look that demands attention. With an easy-access modular design, maintenance is quick and straightforward, allowing drivers to focus more on the excitement of. Number 4. The TRX-6 Mercedes-Benz G63 AMG 6x6 is a masterfully crafted RC release that brings the legendary six-wheeled luxury off-road machine to life with unmatched detail and performance. Built on the proven TRX-6 platform, it features a fully functional 6x6 drivetrain that delivers incredible traction and climbing ability, allowing it to conquer rugged terrain, steep inclines, and challenging obstacles with ease. Its scale replica body captures the essence of the iconic Mercedes-Benz design, showcasing bold lines, a detailed grille, authentic headlights, and a realistic paint finish that makes it look like a true miniature version of the real G63 AMG 6x6. The suspension system is engineered for maximum articulation, with oil-filled shocks and heavy-duty linkages that ensure stability and control, even on the toughest trails. Precision 2.4 GHz radio control ensures responsive handling. Now, the powerful motor and waterproof electronics allow for high performance in all weather conditions. With its combination of luxury styling, extreme off-road capabilities, and six-wheel drive dominance, the TRX-6 Mercedes-Benz G63 AMG 6x6 stands out as one of the most exciting and realistic RC models available, offering enthusiasts an unparalleled driving experience that blends elegance with raw power. Number 3. The RLAARLO 112X TSP12 Rally Car RTR is an exciting new RC release that combines speed, agility, and durability in a compact yet powerful package designed to deliver a true rally racing experience. Its sleek, aerodynamic body not only enhances performance but also captures the spirit of rally car design with eye-catching details and a rugged stance. Equipped with a high-performance, brushless motor system, it delivers impressive acceleration and top speeds, while the advanced all-wheel drive system ensures maximum traction and stability across a variety of surfaces. Whether on-road or off-road, the independent suspension with oil-filled shocks allows for smooth handling and excellent control over jumps, rough terrain, and sharp turns, making it perfect for high-intensity racing. Its durable chassis construction offers strength without unnecessary weight, giving it the resilience needed for demanding runs. The 2.4 GHz radio system provides responsive and interference-free control, giving drivers precise handling and confidence during every race. With its combination of realistic styling, robust performance, and ready-to-run convenience, the RLAARLO 112X TSP12 Rally Car RTR is a standout addition to the RC world, offering both enthusiasts and newcomers an exhilarating driving experience. Number 2. The Losi LMT 2.0 Solid Axle Brushless Monster Truck is a powerhouse in the latest wave of RC releases. Designed to capture the raw excitement of real monster truck action with unmatched realism and performance, built on a rugged solid axle platform, it delivers authentic handling and durability, allowing drivers to perform massive jumps, wheelies, and freestyle tricks with confidence. Its brushless motor system provides explosive acceleration and incredible top speeds, while The advanced 4WD drivetrain ensures maximum traction across dirt, grass, gravel, or pavement. The truck is equipped with heavy-duty suspension components and oil-filled shocks that absorb hard landings and rough terrain with ease. Maintaining stability and control in the most demanding conditions, its scale body design, complete with aggressive monster truck styling, detailed graphics, and functional features, makes it look just as fierce as it performs. The durable chassis construction ensures long-lasting strength even under extreme use, while the precision 2.4 GHz radio system delivers responsive control and reliability. With its blend of brute power, authentic design, and cutting-edge technology. Number 1. The Traxxas Pro Scale Sandcar is an exhilarating new RC release that captures the spirit of high-performance dune buggies with incredible detail, speed, and off-road capability. Designed to dominate sandy terrain, it features a lightweight, yet durable chassis that works in harmony with a powerful brushless motor system to deliver blistering acceleration and impressive top speeds. Its rear-wheel drive setup, combined with paddle-style tires, ensures maximum traction and control in loose surfaces like sand and gravel, allowing for dramatic roosts, long slides, and explosive launches. The suspension system is engineered with long travel shocks and reinforced arms that absorb rough landings and uneven terrain with ease, making it perfect for desert-style racing and freestyle driving. The scale body design showcases a detailed roll cage, driver figures, and realistic desert racing aesthetics, giving it a true-life appearance that stands out both on and off the track. Waterproof electronics allow for worry-free performance in different conditions, while the precision 2.4 GHz radio system ensures responsive and reliable control at all times. With its combination of raw power, scale authenticity, and terrain-conquering ability, the Traxxas Pro Scale Sandcar is a must-have for enthusiasts who crave the ultimate RC sand racing experience.